Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Upper Dishrack. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dishrack. The upper dish rack is where you put smaller items in the dishwasher. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and things are falling through, or it's rusty and things are getting stained. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the upper dish rack. You just have to pull it out so we can take the end caps off the rails. There's a little button right here in the middle that you have to press to release the locking tab. And then you just have to press the end cap in towards the center of the dishwasher. Once you have it free, you can pull it off and set it aside. The one on the other side comes off the same way. Once you have the end caps off, we can pull the upper dish rack out. Here's the old upper dish rack next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. The new upper dish rack doesn't come with any parts, so we're going to have to swap them over from the old one. You want to make sure you put a towel down so you don't scratch the countertop. We're going to set the racks up there so we can swap over the parts. We're going to take off the middle spray arm first. There's a couple of locking tabs here and here. You just have to press on the locking tabs and then lift up. And squeeze these together and push it down. The one on the top comes off the same way. Once you have it off, you can set the rack down and set the spray arm aside. Next, we're going to remove the holder on the front right hand side. It's just held on by a couple clips. You just have to lift up on it a little bit and then unclip it. Then we can swap it onto the other one. To put the holder on the new rack, you just have to line it up and snap it in. Now we're going to change out the rollers. There's 4 of them. They're all changed out the same way. We're just going to take a small flathead screwdriver and push on the back side. There's a little locking tab right here. You don't want to press too hard and break it. Then you want to press down on the little button on the outside so this lever drops down and unlocks it. And then we're going to tilt it into the center, then turn it and pull it out. When you're putting the rollers on the new rack, you want to make sure they go in the right spot, right in front of the split right here. And then we're just going to take it and stick it into the opening, and then turn it, and then tilt it up so it latches onto this lower rail. Once you have it on, we're going to lift up on the lever from the outside and lock it in. Once you have this one done, the other 3 are done the same way. Now we can put the middle spray arm on. We're just going to lift up the rack and line it up where you took it off in the same spot. Then we're going to squeeze these tabs so they go through and then pull them back down so they lock in. We can do the one on the other end. Once you have everything swapped over to the new upper rack, we can put it in the dishwasher. Just want to line up the rollers with the rails and push them back in place. Once you have it on the rails, you want to push it back in and then pull the rails out so we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps on, you just want to line up little tabs with the cutouts on the rails and then push it into place. And you want to make sure that the locking tab locks on. Once you have this side on, you can do the other side. Once you have the end caps on, we can push the upper rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.